You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, panoramic roof, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, air suspension, backup camera, keyless start. Feel the rush of adrenaline as you accelerate into the future.